Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and today I learned about a quote. I heard this quote from Paul Skeens. I don't know if you know who that is, but he's a pitcher for the Pittsburgh Pirates in baseball. I don't know if you guys like follow sports or whatever, but basically he's a very good athlete. He's really good. And I was watching a video about him, and at the very end he was talking about like this routine he did, and at the very end he was talking about how greatness is boring. And that really hit for me. Greatness is boring because I don't think about greatness being boring. I think about greatness being like exciting, and like I think of it as being hard. It's hard to be great at something, but I don't think of it as boring. So it's kind of it was unexpected, but it makes sense, right? Greatness is boring. You have to be able to do the boring things that no one else wants to do, right? If you do things that most people don't do, then you're going to get results that most people don't get. That's actually, I've talked about that in a previous video. I have that on my wall as like a quote from one of my previous videos. If you want to get to a place where most people aren't at, you have to do the things most people don't do. So like in the same way, most people aren't going to do those boring routines, right? Most people aren't going to do those hard things. But greatness, like being really good at something, being really great at something, is boring and it's hard. And it takes time and lots of energy and lots of failure and lots of uncertainty. There's a lot of negatives to being great, but they're all temporary, right? They're all short-term negatives for the exchange of long-term positives, right? I feel like I talk about this so much. Like, don't choose your short-term. Choose future you. Choose the long-term success rather than the short-term happiness, right? And this goes for everything. In greatness, right? If you want to succeed at something, choose the long-term success. Don't do the boring thing, do the hard thing, because it'll ultimately get you the results you want. So like that from a success, greatness perspective, but also like from a Christianity perspective, like we're trying to not choose the short-term pleasures of this world, but look to the long term and look to the eternal, where the rewards are infinitely greater, right? So, yeah, greatness is boring. I never really thought about it that way, but I found that really interesting. Greatness is boring. You have to do boring things. You have to do the hard things that most people don't do and might not even realize are beneficial, right? Like one of the big examples I can think of this is like mobility routines for athletes. Like it's boring and you don't see the direct benefit, but it produces so much more results and it's way more helpful than you would think. So that's something I thought was really interesting. Greatness is boring. Just a short one today. I'm really tired. But yeah, greatness is boring. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe or go binge all of my other videos, because I have been posting and will continue posting every single day, talking about what I learned that day and how I'm thinking about it, how I'm trying to apply it, things like that. So if you want to see that, then definitely subscribe. If you're new, welcome. I'm on season 3 right now. This is number 249, so we're almost halfway through season 3. So I have 200 other videos that you can go binge about what I learned today. So lots of insight, lots of information there. So hopefully if you found that interesting, then definitely go check out those playlists. I'll have them linked in the description. Join my Discord server. I sent the invite link out a couple days ago. So if you want to join a community of people who are just discussing what I'm talking about in these videos, just like life struggles, goals, things like that, then definitely join the Discord server. It's free. So the link is in the description. Thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I think it took longer for me to get my second 1,000 subscribers than for me to get my first, which is kind of weird. But whatever, it is what it is. I got 2,000 subscribers now, and that's super cool. Like, 2,000 people is a lot of people. Yeah, it's really cool. And I don't know, it feels like recently my videos have been worse, but somehow I like have 2,000 subscribers now. But yeah, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, commenting, subscribing, because like the whole YouTube thing has to do with the viewers, and that's you, so thanks for that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then definitely leave a like or a comment. This is a video that I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.